Hello traders, let's quickly run this 1 minute scalping strategy together. Please note that this video is for educational purpose only and not a financial advice. Like you already know, trading is high risk, so I advise to practice all strategies on a demo or sent account before going live. If you are watching us for the first time, kindly smash that subscribe button, hit that like button and share this video so that others can benefit. Let's move on. 1 minute scalping strategy is for those traders that aim to make quick and small profits. They don't want to stay long in the market. They capitalize on price movements. With this strategy, we'll be using just 2 free indicators, and this strategy can be used on any currency pair, any financial instrument, be it crypto or what have you. So let's add these 2 indicators right away. You go to your indicator and search for liquidity weighted moving averages. This one right here, liquidity weighted moving averages by Algo Alpha. So let's add this indicator. So we'll need another indicator to perfect this, which is the easy entry and exit. Easy entry, this particular one, easy exit, entry and exit trend colors. So let's select this one. So we need to do some little changes on the indicators. So let's go to our settings here. You can see the outline treasure length is 10. We'll leave this one the way it is. The style on this particular one too will only remove the value in status line and these labels on the price scale. This is the only settings we need to do on this particular indicator. So now let's move straight to our easy exit indicator and do some settings there. So right now we are here. On the input, you leave it just the way it looks like. Also, then on the style, you leave all this, you move straight to your bear MACD, this particular one. You change this, you change it to this cycle. This we change it to top. Really? Yes, we change this to top. Then this we change it to cycle also. Cycle, where I use cycle, okay. Then this we change it to bottom. So then we move down to the bar colors, where we deactivate this bar color, these two bar colors. We deactivate it, then we click on OK. This is the only settings we need on these two indicators. Very easy. And now, what is the strategy behind this indicator? How do we trade this on a 1 minute? You can see we are on 1 minute currently, and you can use this indicator on any currency pair. Like I said, you can use it even on gold. You can use it on BTC, which is crypto, right? You can use it on GBP, USD, any currency pair you want to use it. So now let's talk about the strategy behind this. Then we'll now take some little backtesting. The strategy behind this is that you take a buy as soon as you see this golden, you can see this golden close, this long pole, this green long pole here on the exit entry trend alerts this particular indicator. So immediately you see this green big cross pole here, it means you should enter for a long position. You are not just entering for a long position until this algo alpha indicator is also on a green side. You see, so these are the confluences for you to enter for a long position, right? This must be green and this must also be green. In some cases, you will see where this can be red and this can be green. So you ignore such market. It has to meet your confluence. Remember, this is 1 minute scalping. This is just for scalping purpose. So we're not staying long in the market. If we see this and we enter a long position right after this close of this candle, for example, if we enter this long position, we'll just put our stop loss at, you can put your stop loss here. So you can use the risk to reward ratio 1:1.5, or you put in your stop loss at the previous high of the market. The previous high of the market will be your stop loss. Similarly, on the sell side, let's look. Okay, we have this trigger here, this red pole triggered here, and we have this as red also, the alpha algo as red also. We'll take a short position right here, right? We said our stop loss of the sell market should be in the most recent low, right? And our TP can be 2 times our stop loss. So you calculate this and double it as your take profit, or you use the risk to reward ratio 1:1.5 as your settings. So let's take some backtesting on this. I know you might be wondering why I added this once, right? This particular bear and bull one. There's a strategy behind that. I will show you that towards the end of this video. So you see, this gave us some kind of reasonable good profit, right? Hey, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, smash that subscribe button right now if you are enjoying this video and if you benefit anything from this video. So you can see the wins are high so far. We have more than, if I'm not mistaken, up to 10 wins or above. You can see. I'm sorry. So I think why I said we shouldn't enter this trade was because after the golden cross and the long green pole, if you notice under this algo alpha trend line, it is somehow, well, it's like red. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it, a little bit of red, so it's like indecisive mode. So it's better we don't risk it, even though as the trade went up, but it's better we don't just risk it. Always try to manage your risks and manage your emotions while trading, right? So you can see this strategy gave us some kind of good amount of profit, gave us reasonable amount of profit. So I want you to try this on your demo account. Try it on your demo account, then let me know what you think about this indicator. Then, like I promised, that towards the end of this video I'll show you the reason why I use this bull. I put this bull and bear signal call out is because if you don't want to use this particular if you don't want to use this particular golden cross strategy, you can take a buy if you see a bull call below. You can see, if you see a bull call below this yellow line, you see this yellow line, at the middle, you can take a bull call, meaning it is safe to enter for a buy position, for a long position. And this your alpha, this algo alpha should be green also. It must be green. So these are the conditions for you to take a buy. So let's say, for example, look at this bear here that came out. It came out, it asks us to enter for a sell, but we're not taking that sell because if you look at this algo alpha is on green. So what you do is that if it calls a signal for a sell, the uptrend line must be red. I hope you get. If it calls for a bull entry, this must be green. And the candles, this, and it was call it below this yellow line. This is just the strategy on trading this particular one. If you want to use that system, if you don't want to use this other first one I showed you, right? Let's see if we can see a sell call. Okay, we have a sell call here which says we should enter for a sell, and if you notice, this is above the yellow line, right? And this our trend algo alpha is also red, so this gives us assurance to enter for a sell position. Any bull call we see around this side, we'll ignore it because this is red. This algo alpha is red. I hope you are getting me. So you ignore any call, any buy call that comes in with that comes around this period. You only take a short around the side. I hope you are getting me. And the bear should be alert, should come above this yellow line. That is how to do this strategy. Try this and let me know in the comment section the outcome of this. We'll see you in our next video.